Hi everyone. Sad day because we need to talk about this. A close-up to see the damage. The radiator is really bent. Also from the front side, you see I have two clips to keep the spoiler in place. Also from below, here you can see the damage done underneath the car. I was driving back from my holidays, rain, it was at night. I stopped to get gas. While driving out, I simply didn't see a sidewalk, maybe 2 meters long, in a bend going up and down, and the result was that I damaged some stuff on the M3. What can I say? My first accident in the last 15 years, if you can call it an accident. But what's hilarious here is the repair bill behind this damage. We will talk the details, but as a short summary, we have a damage to the front spoiler. The grille has popped. The radiator is bent and the underskirt has to be replaced. So the stuff before the engine, so not the motor protection, the plastic below. The total repair cost for this damage is 9,300 euros. Of course, the car has a CASCO insurance, but I was pretty shocked to see the amount behind. And I remember I saw a story, I will also post the picture, with a Cayman GTS that was damaged on the Nordschleife. Visually, the damage was a joke, but the repair cost was 100,000 euros, more than the resale value at the time of the car. So it's crazy if you have such an expensive car that a damage that can be, and maybe to finalize my summary, I've been driving now the car for 4,000 kilometers. The car runs perfectly. No check engine light, car goes perfectly straight, absolutely no issues. No issues at all, yeah? The car is driving now. I had the accident at about 12,500 kilometers and now I have 16,000 kilometers. So basically it's a damage that's visually not very impressive, mechanically, technically zero issues, and the repair bill is 9,000 euros. The car will go next week to the BMW dealership. Everything will get replaced and I will get you an update after that. But I wanted to share with you the challenges that you have with such a car regarding repair costs. I know that also on a normal car, if you damage something like that, you will pay probably 3,000, 4,000, something like that. But of course, in a M car you pay a lot more. From my point of view, I was surprised how much more. Maybe it's because I didn't have an accident for so many years. But it's good to know, guys, that if something like this happens, the repair bill can have costs that are crazy. That's why I believe it's a no-brainer that for such a car you need a full CASCO insurance. In the end, I will pay 500 euros. What's my part for the insurance each time I have an accident, and the insurance will go, of course, a little bit up, not very much, about 250 euros per year. I will also make a dedicated video to this topic. What exactly is the impact on the insurance if you have such a damage? I am 39 years old. I have a very big discount for not having accidents all these years. But in the end, guys, it's important to be aware. Stay in touch for part 2, where we will see how they fix the car and talk about the final financial stuff.